If you're looking to set up Minecraft shaders on your Xbox, this guide will walk you through the process, which currently only works on Minecraft Preview. First, you'll need to download a few apps: Internet Browser by FineBits OU, ADV File Explorer by KDcorp, and Minecraft Preview. Install the full trust version of ADV File Explorer, which allows access to unauthorized drives. While optional, using a USB mouse and keyboard can simplify the shader download process. Open the Internet Browser, find your desired shader, and download it, saving the file to your Downloads folder. Then, navigate to the file using ADV File Explorer. Cut it and paste it into the appropriate folder path. After placing the shader file, uninstall all Minecraft versions except for Preview, and reinstall an older version from the Microsoft Store. Follow the prompts on screen to complete the setup, and keep in mind that backing up your worlds is advisable to prevent any potential corruption.